Sadhguru often emphasizes the pivotal role of volunteers in running Isha Yoga. Here, he delves into the essence and significance of volunteering. He articulates the essence of yoga lies in giving oneself completely. Yet, many struggle to understand how to offer themselves without any intermediary. Everything we possess, be it wealth, food, or education, is merely borrowed from the earth. None of it truly belongs to us. Despite our belief in ownership, we ultimately must relinquish everything we hold. Thus, the notion of giving becomes complex when we fail to comprehend that true giving involves offering oneself rather than material possessions. Fundamentally, the only thing we can truly give is ourselves, but many find this challenging. Consequently, they resort to using external actions as a mean of giving. However, without the awareness that true giving entails offering oneself, the act of giving can evoke fear and apprehension. Volunteering, therefore, provides a unique opportunity to give oneself. It enables individuals to dedicate themselves to the cause and activity without expecting anything in return. Unfortunately, most people struggle to offer themselves without engaging in some form of action. They approach tasks with calculation and expectation, devoid of the intrinsic joy of giving. In our calculation and pursuit, we have gradually drifted away from the essence of voluntary contribution. We have forgotten that we initially chose to engage in these activities willingly. Volunteering serves as a pathway rekindling the innate willingness within ourselves. Embarking on the spiritual journey necessitates cultivating a spirit of willingness. Volunteering serves as a powerful catalyst in fostering this disposition. Within the protected environment of Isha, individuals can cultivate a mindset of wholehearted willingness, free from exploitation. By immersing oneself in volunteering, one learns to extend this spirit of willingness into everyday life, thereby permeating every aspect of their being. On November 2012, nearly 200 entrepreneurs and intrapreneurs gathered to participate in a unique business leadership program named Insight, the DNA of Success. Crafted by Sadhguru and led by Dr. Ram Charan, a globally recognized CEO coach, the event featured distinguished panelists from the Indian business landscape, indulging K.V. Kamath and G.M. Rao. The second edition of this program was set to take place from November 23rd to November 26, 2013, at the Isha Foundation. Leading up to the anticipated event, a video series titled The Business of Well-Being has been launched. As per the panel discussion at Insight 2012, Sadhguru engaged in an insightful interview with Indrajit Gupta, former editor of Forbes India magazine, where he shed light on the essence of volunteering. Indrajit Gupta expressed his admiration for the program's meticulously planning and execution by a team of young volunteers. He asked Sadhguru's perspective on the managing of such a volunteer-driven initiative and instilling passion and purpose in the volunteers. Sadhguru responded by elucidating the essence of volunteering as being an absolute affirmation of life, a complete willingness to embrace existence. He contrasted the common human tendency to say yes only when convenient or yielding benefits with the essence of volunteering, which entails dropping the calculation of personal gain entirely. According to him, when individuals shed a mindset of what can I get out of this and wholeheartedly commit themselves to a cause, they become extraordinary. He illustrated this point by highlighting the remarkable achievement volunteers at Isha Foundation across various initiatives, including Mahashivratri celebration, Project Green Hands Rural Rejuvenation Program, and the construction of Dhyanalinga Dome. He emphasizes that meticulous attention to detail and dedication exhibited by volunteers, stating the example of measuring each brick with precision for the dome's construction. He attributes the motivation of volunteers to something beyond mere passion, motivation, or profit, a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment. He emphasized the joy of fortune of living among individuals who are intensely focused and committed to the collective endeavors. According to him, the communal spirit of dedication and selflessness is the direct blessing and fortune one can experience in life. In his teaching on volunteering, Sadhguru often emphasizes the importance of simply doing what we needed to do without expectation or attachment. He highlights the transformative power of selfless service and the joy it brings to both the giver and the receiver. According to him, true volunteering involves prioritizing the well being of others above one's own desire and comfort. He envisions the world where individuals willingly attend to the simplest task without seeking recognition or reward. Whether it's wiping someone's nose or performing any other works, a genuine volunteer acts with humility and without making a fuss about their action. For him, volunteering is not about feeling trapped or obliged, but about being willing to contribute wherever one is needed. By adopting a voluntary mindset, individuals can liberate themselves from the burden of selfish desire and reduce the karmic implication of their action. He encourages people to become absolute volunteers in their lives, embracing a sense of purpose and responsibility for the collective well-being of humanity. Through selfless service, individuals can experience profound joy and fulfillment, knowing that their actions are making a positive difference in the world. In a spiritual context, Sadhguru sees volunteering as an opportunity to transcend the ego and align oneself with a greater good. By performing actions without seeking personal gain, individuals can clear the path of spiritual growth and transformation. He observes that many people find deep fulfillment in volunteering because it allows themselves to experience their innate joyfulness through meaningful actions. By focusing on the needs of others rather than their own desires, volunteers experience a sense of purpose and connection that enrich their lives. He notes that volunteers can also enhance one's spiritual journey as it provides an opportunity to put spiritual principles into practice and deepen one's understanding of oneself and others. Through act of service, individuals can expand their consciousness and contribute to the collective evolution of humanity. In summary, Sadhguru encourages everyone to embrace the spirit of volunteering as a pathway to personal growth, fulfillment, and spiritual awakening. By selflessly serving others and aligning with the greater good, individuals can tap into a profound source of joy and meaning in their lives. In the teachings of Sadhguru, the essence of yoga lies in the act of selflessly giving. While some may find peace in simply closing their eyes and offering themselves to the world, many struggle to grasp the level of awareness. For those who need actions to giving themselves, volunteering emerges as a powerful avenue. Through volunteering, individuals can channel their energy and efforts into serving others. In the mutiny routine of daily life, calculation often overshadows the purity of action. Questions like how much should I do or what will I gain cloud the intrinsic beauty of giving. Sadhguru highlights how this mindset transforms life's purposes into burdensome endeavors. Yet, he reminds us that every aspect of our life, be it work, relationship, or commitment, began with a willing choice. However, as time passes, the initial motivation fades, and we find ourselves giving reluctantly, leading to the sense of discontent. Volunteering, as Sadhguru emphasizes, is more than mere action. It is a state of willingness. To be a volunteer is to embody the readiness, this openness to serve without expectation. It is through this willingness, he suggests, the true spiritual growth unfolds. Thus, in the journey of self-discovery and fulfillment, embracing the spirit of volunteering becomes integral. Once a seeker approached Sadhguru with a query on how to imbue every aspect of life, including routine tasks, with a sense of willingness and devotion. They expressed a noticeable contrast in energy level between volunteering and performing household chores. Sadhguru responded with a profound insight, suggesting that the key lay in offering oneself completely to every task, whether at home, work, or during volunteering. He emphasizes that the difference in experience stemmed from the attitude with which one approached the task rather than the task itself, encouraging the seeker to mentally surrender all actions as offering. Sadhguru highlighted the transformative power of this shift in perspective. He stressed that such an approach not only changed one's experience of the task but also made them more receptive to grace, an essential aspect of spiritual growth. Asserting the importance of making life a pleasant experience, he challenged the notion of enduring unnecessary suffering. He argued that every individual deserves to find joy in their journey, regardless of their future achievements or aspiration. Expounding the concept of volunteering, he clarified that it transcended mere action. Rather, it encompassed an attitude of willingness in every moment of life. He underscored a stark contrast between willingly embracing life's experience and enduring them reluctantly, equating the latter to the form of self inflicted suffering. In conclusion, he emphasized that being a volunteer meant approaching life with willingness, transforming mundane tasks into an act of love. He cautioned against the consequences of unwillingness, suggesting that it is not only mirrored as present experience but also hindered one's ability to connect with grace, essentially, for navigating life's journey with ease and joy. And in another instance, in the serene setting, a group gathered around Sadhguru, eager to absorb his wisdom on the significance of engaging with the sacred energy forms like the Dhyanalinga. A seeker seeking clarification questions the benefits of touching such an ethereal entity. Sadhguru responded with deep and profound insight, emphasizing the essence of true seva and selfless service. He encouraged the seeker to relinquish any expectations of personal gain and instead surrender completely to the experience. To seek benefit, Sadhguru suggested, was to miss the point entirely. Drawing upon colorful anecdotes, Sadhguru illustrated the folly of approaching sacred ritual with a mindset focused solely on personal gain. He humorously recounted instances where individuals driven by the desire of material gain restored in clandestine acts like pocketing flowers and tearing up cleaning clothes. Through these anecdotes, Sadhguru conveyed a deeper truth that the essence of life lies not in what one acquires but in what one surrenders. He urged the seeker to shed their ego-driven desire and embrace the transformative power of selflessness. In his characteristic style, Sadhguru employed vivid imaginary and wit to drive home the importance of surrendering to the divine energy present in the sacred space. He underscored the significance of entering temple with a mindset of openness and receptivity, devoid of the defense of preconceived notion. Ultimately, Sadhguru reminded the seeker that true fulfillment lies not in what one takes but in what one gives. He challenged them to embrace the ethos of seva wholeheartedly, surrendering themselves completely to the divine energy and allowing it to envelop them entirely. In today's fast paced world, carving out time for volunteering may seem challenging. Nonetheless, the reward of giving back are immense. Volunteering extends a helping hand to those in need, support worthy causes, and strengthens community. Yet, the benefits are not one-sided. Volunteers themselves stand to gain significantly. The right volunteer opportunity can facilitate the formation of new friendship, foster a deeper connection with the community, provide avenue for acquiring new skill, and even open door for career advancement. Beyond these external rewards, giving to others can profoundly impact one's mental and physical well-being. Engaging in act of services has been shown to erase stress, counteract feeling of depression, promote mental agility, and instill a profound sense of purpose. While it's true that the more time devoted to volunteering, the greater the benefit. Even small act of kindness can make a meaningful difference and enhance one's overall health and happiness. Thus, whether through long-term commitment or brief act of generosity, volunteering offers opportunity for personal growth and community enrichment. Exploring the benefits of volunteering, enhancing health and happiness. Volunteering has been recognized as a pathway to improve well being, offering a multitude of advantages. Building connections. Volunteering serves as a bridge to connect individuals with their communities, enriching both parties. Even the simplest act of kindness can significantly impact the lives of those in need, whether people, animal, or organization. Engaging in volunteer work foster a sense of belonging and allow individuals to contribute positively to their surrounding. Furthermore, it is reciprocal while benefiting the community. It also nurtures personal relationship and family bond. Forging friendships. Committing in volunteer activities provides opportunity to form new friendship and strengthen existing connection. This shared endeavors creates a supportive environment where individuals can interact, share experience, and develop lasting relationships. Enhancing social skills. For individuals who may find socializing challenging, volunteer offers a platform to learn interpersonal skills. The regular interaction with like minded individuals facilitates the development of communication abilities and boosts self confidence, making it easier to expand social circles. Family volunteering. Setting an example for children by engaging in volunteering work as a family cultivates a sense of empathy and social responsibility from a young age. Through these shared experiences, family not only bond but also discover new opportunities for learning and growth within their community. Exploring the health benefits of volunteering, nurturing mind and body. Volunteering not only serves as a means of aiding others but also yields numerous advantages of mental and physical well being, enhancing mental and physical health. Engaging in volunteer work offer multitude a benefit of both psychological and physical health. Stress reduction. Volunteering provides a potent antidote to stress, anger, and anxiety. The social interaction inherits in helping others foster a sense of connection and belonging, which can significantly elevate psychological distress. Moreover, working with animals such as pets has been shown to further enhance mood and reduce stress levels. Combating depression. Regular involvement in volunteering activities helps to mitigate the risk of depression by facilitating ongoing social contact and the development of a robust support network. These connections serve as a protective buffer against feelings of isolation and despair. Promoting happiness. Research has revealed that altruistic acts trigger a release of hormone and stimulate brain activities associated with pleasure and satisfaction. As social beings, humans derive immense joy from assisting others, with the act of giving inherently linked to heightened happiness levels. The more individuals contribute to the well being of others, the greater the sense of fulfillment and contentment they experience. Unlocking career opportunities and personal fulfillment through volunteering. Volunteering presents a unique opportunity to leverage and enhance existing skills while contributing to the greater good. For instance, if you excel in a sales role, you can utilize your expertise to advocate for causes close to your heart, increasing essential skill like public speaking, communication, and marketing in the process. Expanding career horizon. Volunteering serves as a platform of exploring new career paths without the constraint of long-term commitment. It offers invaluable hand-on experience in diverse fields, allowing individuals to immerse themselves in area of interest, whether assisting at a hospital or nursing home for those intrigued by healthcare or collaborating with personal organization relevant to their aspiration. Volunteering opened doors to potential internships and career advancements. Cultivating essential attributes. While skill acquisition is beneficial, volunteering primarily thrives on compassion, adaptability, and positive outlook. Regardless of expertise, the most valuable contributions stem from the genuine desire to help, an adaptable mindset, and a willingness to contribute wherever needed. Rediscovering joy and purpose. Volunteering provides an avenue of exploring personal interest and passion, offering a refreshing escape for daily routine. Engaging in a meaningful volunteer work not only rejuvenates the spirit but also fosters creativity, motivation, and a renewed sense of purpose. Being investing time in activities that resonate with their values, individuals can experience a profound sense of fulfillment that extends beyond their volunteer effort into their personal and professional lives. Maximizing your volunteer experience and mutual benefits. When investing your time in volunteering, ensure a rewarding and fulfilling experience is essential. Here are some tips to ensure that your volunteer position aligns with your skills, goals, and time availability. Inquire and clarify. Pertinent questions to ascertain whether the volunteer opportunity matches your expectation. Queries regardless time, commitment, and training requirement, team dynamics, and avenue of seeking assistance during your tenure can provide clarity. Familiarize yourself with the organization's mission, objective to alignment with the values and time constraints, being with modest commitments to prevent overextension, allowing room for adjustment and diversification of responsibilities as needed. Embrace change when necessary. Don't hesitate to reevaluate your volunteer role if it no longer resonates with you. Open communication with the organization can facilitate a shift in focus or explore of alternative opportunities better suited to your interest and strength. Exercise caution with overseas volunteering. When considering volunteering program abroad, exercise caution to ensure that your involvement contributes positively without inadvertently displaying local employment opportunities. Prioritize reputable organization with transparent practice to maximize the impact of your contribution. Prioritize enjoyment. A fulfilling volunteering experience should be joy to both you and the organization. If you find yourself disheartened, introspect to identify the source of discomfort, whether attributed to task assignment, team dynamics, or unfamiliarity. Addressing these concerns enable informed decision regarding your continued involvement.